Hello everyone, and thank you for joining our project walkthrough video. Our project is called the Reach DAO, which is an implementation of the basic DAO using Reach. So we as the admins will deploy a contract which users can attach to use our app. And as a user, I'll simply copy the contract's information and then connect my wallet and then attach to the contract by pasting the information and clicking on the attach button. What our app does is that it allows just about anybody to create a proposal, and if this proposal passes, it becomes a bounty which is funded by contributions which users can also contribute to the proposal as well as sponsorships. So the proposal could be anything from a simple tutorial which the community needs, or it can be something like a full-scale DApp, or even just maybe parts of a DApp that you need help building. You could just make a proposal and then it could get done for you by any member of the community who wants to claim the bounty. So let's go ahead and go to the proposals page and create some proposals by clicking on this make proposal button and then filling out the fields. After a proposal is created, it gets added to this list of active proposals here. So a user could attach and decide to upvote by clicking this button, downvote by clicking this button, or contribute to the proposal by clicking this button. So let's attach as another user and go ahead and do this. So after we've attached, we go to the proposals page to see a list of all active proposals, and then we can contribute by clicking on this button, entering the amount of algos we want to contribute, and clicking on contribute. We can also upvote this proposal by clicking on this upvote button. And we can equally downvote by clicking on this downvote button. As you can see, this first project has passed because the time for the voting round has expired, and now it will become an active bounty, as you can see in this bounties page. So you can view the details of the bounty by clicking on this link, or we can accept the quest to complete the bounty, whereby we could earn the bounty rewards. We can also get an NFT for participating in the bounty. And you can see the active proposals. We can wait for this one to see when the voting period expires. Let's contribute so that when it fails, we can claim a refund. As you can see, this proposal has timed out and has failed. So as a user, I can go ahead and claim my funds. And success, the funds have been returned to me, which I have received back into my Algo wallet on my phone. In the future, we would like for the Reach DAO to become a hub where developers hang out, where they can actually post about their successes, the issues they are having, and generally just hang out and chill with other developers and like-minded people and talk about all things Reach while having access to tutorials, documentation, and almost anything about Reach. We would also like to use analytics to determine problems that majority of the community is facing, and then maybe create a proposal out of them and hope that it passes and becomes a bounty. This could be maybe a tutorial if people are having issues with, say, a particular part like understanding how to call APIs or parallel reduce, for instance, and then, or it could be something for the abstraction of Reach, like say library or even SDK. We also like to implement the functionality that provides an NFT to any developer that completes a bounty. The idea is that developers get to work on projects with proof in the form of an NFT while gaining expertise and experience, and Also, it benefits the community through proposals, which may be tutorial. It was really a joy working with Reach and working on the Algorand network. We were quite surprised with how cheap the fees were and how fast the network was. We did have challenges using Algorand at some point. There were limitations imposed on maps using Algorand, and that was a challenge, but we found a workaround. We also really enjoyed using the Algorand wallets and other tools, such as the faucet. We came to find out that Reach is a really, really powerful language, and one thing that we really liked was how detailed the error messages were. It really pointed you to how to solve them, and that was a nice touch from Rich. Thank you for being part of this presentation. Hopefully, you get to try out our DApp in the future and vote for us. Thank you. Bye.